Hey guys, in today's tutorial I'll show you how to turn off Siri on your Mac, whether you're using a MacBook Pro, MacBook Air, or any other macOS device. If you don't want Siri listening for voice commands like "Hey Siri," or you just prefer not to use it at all, turning it off is quick and easy. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It really supports the channel. Thanks a lot. Let's get started. First, click the Apple icon in the top left corner of your screen. From the drop-down menu, select System Settings. In the sidebar, scroll down and click Siri and Spotlight or Siri and Apple Intelligence, depending on your macOS version. Now you'll see options like Listen for Hey Siri and Ask Siri. If you only want to stop Siri from listening for voice commands, just turn off Listen for Hey Siri. To fully disable Siri, switch off Ask Siri. A confirmation pop-up will appear. Click Turn Off to confirm. If you also want to disable Apple Intelligence features, go ahead and toggle those off too while you're here. And that's it. Siri is now turned off on your Mac. If this video helped you out, give it a like, drop a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick Mac tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.